Hi friends, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to play to market. If you have not started this airdrop, I wonder what you are waiting for. You still have time. I'll drop the link on the description. Use their link and start. This airdrop will soon list on October, so mine as many tokens as you can. Now for you to play this game, click on this harvest. There is I have gotten the tomatoes. Click on start farming. Click on start farming. Now you can see this tomato here, arrow pointing down to it. Tap on it. You will have claimed for today, but if you have not claimed, you will see claim over here that is marked good. Claim, tap on it to claim it. Then another thing to play on this is there is always a secret combo for the day. Today's secret combo: 3 tap on the hamster, 2 tap on the tomato 3. So I have done it, but I'll still tap on it. Let me show you. 1 2 3, 1 2. Then it will pop up. You claim that price. I've done it for today. Now you can see this bus moving over here to your top right. Click on that bus. Minimum of 3 times to spin in a day. So you will see this spin one. I only have one chance to spin again for now. Tap on that spin. Now I've gotten 19,000 tomato. Tap on it. Congrats. So this is how to spin for the day. And other ones you buy star to spin, but if you don't want to buy star, forget about it. So that's how to spin for the day each day. Then another thing to consider here, to play the game. Now you can see this arrow here, play now, that is number 10. Tap on that arrow. It's loading. So for you to play, just be swiping your phone. Be swiping your phone, nothing much. It's not tapping, swipe. Clean, do as if to say you are cleaning your phone. Swap the screen of your phone, and be mindful of this. Look at this black stuff. Be mindful of it. Once you touch it, it will burn the one you have accumulated, and you start over again. So be swiping till the timeline finish. Then you can claim the prize. You continue again. As you are playing this game, you are increasing your token. Your balance will increase. Now I've gotten 272. Now if you want to play a game, you play. Click on play. So this is just how to play the game. Once you are done, you claim it. Be mindful of that burner. Look at it over here. Be mindful of it. Want to touch on it to burn all the ones you have accumulated. So be mindful till the countdown finish. Be mindful of it. So I've gotten another harvest. Now let's look at this task here. Click on the task. Over here you do as many tasks as you can. Do them and get the reward. If you can participate in their BitGet, AIRDROP, whatever, all these times, anyone you can do, you do them. The standard type, subscribe to the To Market app on YouTube, subscribe to their channel. Just do the ones you can and get the reward. Now click on this wallet. If you have not connected your wallet, you will see my wallet is connected. You will see connect wallet. Then follow the process, and you are going to connect with BitGet wallet. Tell your wallet, you will see over here that my wallet is, you will see connect wallet. Click on it. It will take you to the process of I have a video on how to connect it on my YouTube. So if you are confused, just go scroll down to my other videos, you will see it. Upgrade your level. Here I'm in level silver, and I have 1 star to upgrade to another level. The more you play this game, you are getting stars, and that stars is what you use to upgrade to another level. And for you to upgrade to this another level, click on this silver here. Click on it. It's opening. Now you will see level up. I have only 7 stars to level up. Click on this level up. Click on use. Oops, you have successfully used 1 star to level up. Click another one. I don't have another star again to level up. If this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.